Bitcoin trades above $29,000, Ether stays below $1,900. UPI joins AI bandwagon, conversational payments coming soon. Binance Labs invests $10 million to accelerate Helio Protocol's liquid staking pivot. Crypto gaming investment surged in July as Metaverse NFTs fizzled out. Visa tests Ethereum gas fee payments using card. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were stuck in sideways grind amid little or no trigger to break the shackles. Bitcoin traded firm below $29,500 levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.2% at 38,760 points. In an interesting piece of news, the Argentine Agency for Access to Public Information has recently launched an investigation into the privacy concerns involved in the cryptocurrency project WorldCoin. The investigation will focus on whether WorldCoin is complying with Argentine privacy laws, reports mentioned. Sam Altman's project is facing stiff resistance. According to data from Dune Analytics, following the launch of Base network on Coinbase, the daily active users has surged more than 100,000 for the first time. Meanwhile, Crypto2Rank revealed that Base now ranks 4th in the race in daily transactions per second among Layer 2 solutions, just behind ZK Sync Era, Arbitrum and Optimism. A technical glitch at Gemini Exchange has turned Ripple XRP to a $1 trillion token, albeit momentarily grabbing investors' attention. However, the glitch was taken care of and the price stabilized at around $1.1. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.17 trillion mark, dropping 0.3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume decreased about 17% to $25.4 billion. Since the introduction of its initial native DeFi protocols in early 2022, the decentralized blockchain Cardano has increased its visibility within the DeFi ecosystem. According to data from DeFi Llama, Cardano's TVL in DeFi reached an all-time high. Meanwhile, the market is awaiting news on spot Bitcoin ETF approval from the SEC. On the other hand, lack of new retail participation in the market is hurting prices. The Bank for International Settlements and the 4th largest cryptocurrency XRP recently launched a task group for cross-border payments, interoperability and extension. BIS plans to enhance cross-border payments by improving access, extending operating hours, and creating links between systems. Ripple, along with MasterCard and Swift, will collaborate to achieve this goal. US stock futures dropped as investors focused on wholesale price data and mulled over July's consumer inflation report. Futures linked to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 5 points, S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures jumped 0.04% and 0.09% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $29,360, down 0.6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.3%, trading at $1,846. BNB was down by 0.7% to trade at $240.4. Solana SOL was down 0.1% and was trading at $24.4. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1% to trade at $0.29. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.5, lower 0.5%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.4% to trade at $0.68. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.1% at $0.075. Polkadot was down by 0.4% to trade at $5. However, Shiba Inu was trading up by 2.7%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.63, up by 0.1%.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. The Unified Payments Interface (UPI) has certainly simplified payment processes, but the journey towards streamlining procedures continues. The current method involves scanning QR codes and entering a PIN for each transaction. Now, the Reserve Bank of India is embracing AI to further enhance the ease of payments through conversational UPI. During the recent Monetary Policy Committee meeting, RBI's Governor Shaktikanta Das made significant announcements regarding UPI. The central bank convened its third bi-monthly monetary policy gathering for financial year 24, during which the committee's decisions were unveiled. Notably, UPI is set to undergo a transformation with the integration of artificial intelligence. The RBI aims to inject more engagement into UPI transactions by introducing conversational payments. This innovative approach will allow users to interact with AI-powered systems in order to conduct payments seamlessly. Binance's venture arm Binance Labs has invested $10 million into Helio protocol to help expand the protocol's ongoing pivot to becoming a liquid staking platform. Though Helio is currently built on the proof-of-stake network BNB chain, this new funding is expected to help the platform expand to other chains. Helio's objective is to launch on Ethereum and subsequently with prominent L2 networks like Arbitrum and ZK Sync, said a Binance Labs spokesperson. Liquid staking refers to the process of staking tokens to a network and receiving a different token representing that staked position in return. The crypto gaming industry, which spans video games that use blockchain-based tokens or NFTs, collectively received a substantial $297 million in investment funding last month, according to a joint report from DappRadar and the Blockchain Game Alliance. Some 63% of that July funding was committed to infrastructure development, a detail that suggests the industry is still in its earliest stages. Investors are betting big on tools and platforms that will facilitate future crypto and NFT-driven games. Compared to June, which saw a comparatively meager $68 million in crypto gaming investments, July was an explosive month for the industry. While some Metaverse-centric firms may still be raising funds, current NFT prices and overall trading volume for existing Metaverse games continued to plummet last month. Visa is taking significant strides towards simplifying blockchain transactions. In what could be a game changer for users, the payment giant has been working on an experimental solution that allows for the payment of on-chain gas fees with a Visa card. The typical process of using Ethereum requires users to purchase ETH either on an exchange or via an on-ramp service, followed by transferring ETH to their wallets to ensure sufficient coverage for fluctuating gas fees. This constant shifting of gas prices often results in users either overpaying or falling short of their ETH supply, adding a layer of complexity and friction. Visa's proposed solution leverages Ethereum's ERC-4337 account abstraction standard and the feature known as the Paymaster smart contract, which facilitates off-chain gas fee payments. This experimental implementation aims to bridge the gap between traditional payment methods and blockchain transactions. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list we have Cardano. Since the introduction of its initial native DeFi protocols in early 2022, the decentralized blockchain Cardano has increased its visibility within the DeFi ecosystem. Cardano took some time before it was made available for public development and application deployment, despite being one of the oldest Layer 1 blockchains on smart contracts. According to Finbolt's analysis of data from DeFi Llama, Cardano's TVL in DeFi, measured in the native token ADA, has been increasing steadily and reached an all-time high on August 8th. ADA was trading at $0.29 with a market capitalization of $10 billion. The platform registered 601.35 million ADA worth $179 million that are being used by all 24 protocols part of Cardano's DeFi ecosystem. It currently sits in the 13th position on DeFi Llama, considering a locked amounts in USD, which has seen a surge in 9.43% in a 30-day period. Next on the list we have Phantom. Phantom, a platform for directed acyclic graph smart contracts, is looking into enabling optimistic roll-ups between Phantom and Ethereum. Last month, Celo Network presented and received approval for a plan to use optimistic roll-ups to convert its Layer 1 blockchain into a Layer 2 on Ethereum. This move initially increased the value of its native token by 18% when it was first revealed. Phantom was trading at $0.24, up near 4% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $681 million. Phantom founder Cronje confirmed that if Phantom adopts optimistic rollups and provides a full transaction history on Ethereum, then Phantom would need to pay transaction fees to write these snapshots to Ethereum. Phantom Foundation CEO Michael Kong added that implementing Layer 2 technology in this way will allow the Phantom network to access more liquidity from the Ethereum ecosystem. Moving on, the Bank of International Settlements and the fourth largest cryptocurrency, XRP, recently launched a task group for cross-border payments, interoperability and extension. XRP was trading at $0.63, up 0.71% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $33 billion. In a summary of the PIE task force meeting from May 11th that BIS released on August 9th, it said that the task force's members will aim to improve cross-border payments and meet the quantitative targets for cross-border payments endorsed by the G20. The BIS Committee on Payments and Market Infrastructure includes the task force. BIS plans to enhance cross-border payments by improving access, extending operating hours and creating links between systems. Ripple along with MasterCard and SWIFT will collaborate to achieve this goal. BIS emphasizes the need for global coordination and cooperation between public and private sectors to improve payment systems. Moving on, as its network operations increase and outshine industry titans, Solana made amazing strides in the cryptocurrency space. Data shows that Solana's total value locked increased by 14% in the previous month. This is a recovery from the drastic decline seen last year as a result of several outages and 7 significant exploits that hit the chain. Solana was trading at $25, up near 1% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $9 billion. The TVL of Solana had $209.25 million at the beginning of the year. At the same time, there has been a 217% rise, bringing the total to $664 million. It's interesting to note that when Solana experienced growth last month, the top L1 networks like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Avalanche had declines of 13%, 6%, and 10% respectively. Last on the list, we have Sand. Sand is an Ethereum token that powers the Sandbox, a multiplayer metaverse where players can create, monetize, and participate in blockchain-based gaming experiences. Sand was trading at $0.40 with a market capitalization of $828 million. The Sand token of Sandbox, a metaverse platform, has declined this month ahead of its Monday unlock, which is scheduled to release more than 16% of the current supply. However, according to Block Explorer Etherscan, 60 million Sand tokens were transferred out of the multi-segment Sandbox Genesis smart contract 1 week ago, indicating the unlock has already started. This was done in an effort to not shock the system, according to Uncle Grumpy, a Sandbox Discord ambassador. With scheduled issuances, token unlocks which are often negative for the price inject previously frozen liquidity into the market, frequently going to investors and project insiders. Over 332 million Sand tokens worth about $133 million will be released on Monday.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.